This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, dry dreads and clear tools in reach. First, remove loose hairs and surface fuzz by gently pulling and clipping, then part a small working area so you only handle a few dreads at once. Use clips to isolate neighboring locks so tension stays even. Pick a dread and inspect the root and midshaft for unraveling. Now you're ready to start retwisting. Hold the base, twist the new growth toward the existing lock direction, and secure with a light holding spray. Once done with the twist base, switch to the crochet method to tidy the midshaft and tips. You'll insert the 0.51 mm hook gently into the dread, pulling stray fibers into the core. Make short passes so you don't create weak spots. As you work, rotate the dread in its original locking direction to reinforce structure, then palm roll to smooth the surface. Make sure to vary crochet depth, shallower near fragile areas and deeper where hair is coarse. Keep checking tension so the dread stays consistent and comfortable. To finish, secure each retwist at the root using a light holding spray and several firm palm rolls. Let hair air dry to set shape. Once done, inspect for weak spots and reinforce immediately. Recrochet or retwist any loose sections within 1 to 2 weeks to prevent unraveling. If a dread starts to split, overlap the two halves and use a small crochet or interlock to bind them together, making sure not to overwork the area. Finally, maintain maintenance intervals and avoid heavy manipulation to preserve strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.